What's up YouTube? Redrix here. Now, if you haven't already known, you can actually share your PS Plus account so others can play. Not with your account per se, but the subscription can be shared with other people. Now, if you have looked throughout the videos on YouTube, I'm very sure that you have before coming into mine, because I know I'm not the first one to do it, but I did one similar 1.5 years ago, and people are like, what are you actually doing? So I'm going to do this step by step. Unfortunately, my PlayStation is not plugged to my computer, so I cannot record it at the moment because I need a freaking HDMI cable and it's not connected. So I'm trying to do this with screenshots or text. It depends on when I can get this up and running and take some screenshots. So yeah, you can actually share your PS Plus with multiple accounts. Let's say you have a brother or sister or father or mother or whatever, and they are actually using your PlayStation, but you don't want them to mess up your Call of Duty rank or Tekken rank whatsoever. So what they'll have to do is to create a new account in your PlayStation, and what you'll have to do is to add them as a family member. Now remember to make your account, your specific account with the PS Plus subscription. Make that as a primary user of the PlayStation. Now you can go ahead and add family members, and when you add them as family members, you can actually share your PS Plus subscription with multiple accounts. So now if the new account is created and you've actually added them as a family member, you can log on to their account and they can actually, even though they don't have the PS Plus icon, which means that you are actually a PS Plus subscriber, you can actually use their account to play games online. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out a lot. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments below, and I will happily try to answer each and every one of you. So until then, if you want to see me live on stream, head over to Twitch. The link is in the description box down below, and I'll see you on Twitch. I stream once or even twice a week. So until then, I'll see you all again next time. Peace.